Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this channel we're going to turn 1000 USDT into 1 million USDT using Bitcoin and a trading strategy using an AI bot to trade for us. So let's just dive right into it. Before we start guys, I want to address that none of this is financial advice and never should be treated as financial advice. Please do your own research before proceeding into trading Bitcoin or any other crypto. Okay. And of course, do your own research when it comes down to using leverage. I will leave a link in the description where you can find 2 videos on how you can start learning what leverage is. Okay. So let's just dive right into it. So as you see guys here, we've been reinvesting some profits yesterday because Bitcoin had crazy volatility the last hours, the last day. So you see that we went up 106,000, down, up, down, up, down, all the way up, not down. So in the meantime, our bot must be making profits. Okay, so we made around 3%, I think, in profit from this volatility, but we compounded as well in here. So I think it's been looking good. Ethereum has been going up as well. Solana as well. So I expect sometime this week we break an all-time high. So we are very, very close to the all-time high. So I expect sometime this week we break it. But of course it's not guaranteed. But let's see. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Nice. So let's go and track our spreadsheet here with our data. So we have actual investment. So we have 1,300. We have $6 profit. 6.2. That is the same. Liquidation price is at 91,484. 91,484. Leverage the same, grid quantity the same. This one is the same. And I've also added a new list here, total profit in percentage. It calculates how much money we have made in profit, how much percentage we are in profit. You can copy it as well if you want. I'll leave a link in the description. Chart looks good. It will gather more data and it will appear in a better way here. And also I've compounded a bit of profit yesterday. So let's just log this as well. So total equity is this one. And that's around, let's stop this, okay. So we had our second compound, which is very good. Now, let's go and check some news, guys. US Senate officially passes cloture vote for Genius Act crypto stable coin bill. That's very good. And we see that the US adopts crypto, and it's a matter of time that new countries will start doing the same thing. Most people will ignore Bitcoin until it's 1 million plus, and that's the harsh reality, guys. But yeah, everyone will buy Bitcoin at the price he deserves to. 4 in 5 Americans would convert some US gold reserves into Bitcoin. Bitcoin has big advantages over gold, so it's a matter of time as well. But something like this happens, and you will see that more and more people will convert their physical gold into the digital one. And that's why Bitcoin, no, that's why, that's because Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million. Another big thing Panama introduced bill to allow citizens buy, sell, and accept Bitcoin. We see another country follows El Salvador's example. That's very good. Huge break news here that Jamie Dimon, which was a huge persona against Bitcoin, flipping in favor of Bitcoin, and they will eventually everyone be forced to accept Bitcoin because they don't have any other option. I'm not a fan of Bitcoin, but we will allow you to buy it. I don't think you should smoke, but I defend your right to smoke. I defend your right to buy Bitcoin. Go at it. Russian central bank to lift restrictions on financial instruments tied to Bitcoin and crypto. If that's real, that's a big one as well. And again, it's because US started up Bitcoin. People who will benefit the most from Bitcoin aren't even born yet. The world will be completely different on a Bitcoin standard. Housing will be cheaper, war will be more expensive. Food won't be toxic sludge. Government subsidized monopolies will no longer exist. The cost of living will fall forever. Let's see, that's good things to happen. Bitcoin maybe can make this thing happen. Another thing that's very, very important, we see that the global 10-year uh, bond is rising, which is very good for our risky assets. So, good things happening. This means that the currencies of these um, countries and the credit of these countries, it's not so trustworthy. So people do not start to lose their trust into governments and credit. They may be flipping into Bitcoin. Texas Bitcoin reserve rate final vote is likely to occur this week if it passes second reading in the House today. We see more and more states adopting Bitcoin reserve. And funny thing, saying sats are too hard to understand is like saying cents are confusing. 100 cents is $1, 100 million sats is one Bitcoin. This isn't a real problem. The confusing thing is why anyone is still uses dollars. So yeah, guys, strategy going good. We expect some more volatility, but we expect overall price go up, and of course we will compounding the profits to get to $1 million. So if you like this type of content, if you want to follow me on this channel, on this challenge as well, I'll leave a link in the description in which you can copy all the parameters and copy trade my strategy and make it 1000x. And of course, if you like that type of content, as I said, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in the next one.